Before we begin this video, please subscribe right now and click the notification bell to get news on Asante Kotoko.
I enjoyed that win. Alright everyone, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to Daily Porcupine, the ultimate Kotoko fan channel. If you're new here, you know what to do, subscribe and hit that notification bell. I'm happy, extremely happy, not only because we won, because the entire mentality of the team has changed. The entire mentality has changed. We scored one goal and we continue attacking. Berekum Chelsea had a penalty. They missed it. I didn't think that was a penalty. We also had a clear penalty. The referee didn't call that. The referee chose not to give a penalty in that situation, and we kept on going. We kept on going and going and going. Mariano Barreto has changed the mentality of the entire team. I am very happy with the work he has done for the club, because normally when we play with other teams, we score one goal, we defend, in that moment they equalize. But we made Berekum Chelsea work today. I know they came with a plan to overcrowd the midfield, one-on-one attack, defensive play and tackling or man marking and all that. It didn't work for them and they got tired. I think the beginning of the game they started. I think it almost worked for them, because first half was horrible in my opinion. Berekum Chelsea had two big chances to score, and if they had done that, would have been 2-1 by halftime. But they missed, and we were lucky that we actually changed our style of play in the second half. We improved in the second half and we played very well till the end of the game, and that is why we got the second goal through Godfred Esiama. Now, the way things are going, I think Fabio Gama might be our player of the season, because he's incredible. Fabio Gama is incredible. I think he's definitely going to be the signing of the season, because I feel that he has understood the game. He has dictated the tempo of the Ghana Premier League. He has understood. He understands the player, his players, his teammates. You see the way him and Esiama partnered in that goal. It was stupendous. It was amazing. I have no words to describe that assist. It was the best assist I've seen this season. It was just amazing. I'm very happy with Fabio Gama, and also happy for Andy Kumi. He scored 2 goals in 3 games for Kotoko. It's a very huge, bright start into his Kotoko career. I just hope his form continues. Have I said it? We are top of the league. Karela lost, Great Olympics lost, Dreams FC lost. We are currently at the top of the Ghana Premier League. This is where we should be. This is Asante Kotoko. We are the biggest club in Ghana. This is where we should be, at the top of the table, the biggest team in Ghana, and there is no doubt that we are going to fight. I'm telling you, we are going to fight for that title, because we have clearly improved. If you see the way we play, we don't play like before. We have improved our defensive line. It's just that we made some silly mistakes in the first half, but the defensive line in the second half was actually improving, and the attack, they now cross the ball into the box. They create chances. We created a lot of chances. We cross the ball. We find the striker whenever we have the ball. This is what we want from the club. I am extremely pleased that Mariano Barreto has changed the mentality of the entire team and the mentality of the players as a whole. I would like to know your thoughts. Put down in the comment section and tell me what you think about the game. I think it's going to be tough to pick my man of the match, but I think Habib Mohamed was, I know he misplaced some passes, but he has been crucial in the midfield. He has been hard working from the first minute to the 90th minute. He worked very hard. Aimoro Ibrahim got injured. Unfortunately for him, he got off. I'm not smart changing him. I think Aimoro Ibrahim is also crucial to our attack, because he sides attacking run and plays the ball up front for our wingers to pursue. Augustine Okra, very good. The assist he gave, I think he's improving. If he continues like this to the end of the season, I think he will make a case for himself, and Kotoko will renew his contract. As for Emmanuel Jimfi, I don't think he has improved a lot. He will have to do a lot more to remain at Kotoko or to earn himself a new contract. Emmanuel Jimfi hasn't improved at all. But overall, I think the performance was pretty okay. I was very pleased with the way the boys played, and I think the last minute goal was the best thing, or it's the best thing that has happened to me this weekend. I'm going to celebrate our 2-0 win against Berekum Chelsea. It was a very good Very, very good performance. I hope you're celebrating because I am definitely celebrating. If you haven't subscribed, do it right now and hit the notification bell. Till next time, guys. Goodbye.
Skip by the goalkeeper. That's an easy touch to make it 2-0. It's fair to say this is an Isiama-Gama combination that has resulted in a brilliant goal. He damaged the goalkeeper. There's an empty net, and the man who played for Asante on this venue has made 2 for the Farmers marks. Yeah, it's a big goal. Really, really big goal.
Yeah, that's the penalty. There was a coming together of the legs there, but you've got to feel sorry for Frimpong. He really wasn't trying to bring Amankuna down. But Amankuna's third touch, this touch got him right in front of the man. Then the leg came to clip him from the heel. Referee pointed to the spot, but was woefully executed.
So, Brighton Ponsa, the villain for Chelsea.
Yeah, he was leaning back.
Lovely touch from Okran. He got a return from Andy.
That's the pass from with the Syria to Okran. Goes past Norbert Tupe. Now it's the man of the moment. Andy Kumi looked like Dodo was closing in, but he had the final touch. Yeah, lovely build up to the goal. When I see you saw the space in behind the defense and played Okran through it. Okran showed great space as well. And he put a very good ball into the box, but it is this man, Kumi. The pressure is putting on the defender. Not Chibedi was the one tracking back for that ball. Yeah. And Kumi does well to arrive because he put in a very good stride to try to get himself there. Clarence came in, but came off his knee and redirected. That is beautiful to see. Isiama to Gama. Gama waits for the run. Finds Isiama. Skip by the goalkeeper. That's an easy touch to make it 2-0. It's fair to say this is an Isiama-Gama combination that has resulted in a brilliant goal. He damaged the goalkeeper. There's an empty net, and the man who played for Asante on this venue has made 2 for the Farmers marks. Yeah, it's a big goal. Really, really big goal. That's the pass from with the Syria to Okran. Goes past Norbert Tupe. Now it's the man of the moment. Andy Kumi looked like Dodo was closing in, but he had the final touch. Yeah, lovely build up to the goal. When I see you saw the space in behind the defense and played Okran through it. Okran showed great space as well. And he put a very good ball into the box, but it is this man, Kumi. The pressure is putting on the defender. Not Chibedi was the one tracking back for that ball. Yeah. And Kumi does well to arrive because he put in a very good stride to try to get himself there. Clarence came in, but came off his knee and redirected